Hi, I'm AJ and I am 12 years old, and here I have my mom with me to help me unbox this robotics kit. So it is an ABot
I didn't
advanced.
say hi. Hi.
Okay. So here we have an ABot advanced robotics kit from Avishkaar. Mom, you know what Avishkaar means, right?
Yeah. Innovation. Invention. That's a Hindi word, by the way.
Okay, it is. Who told you?
Your dad told me.
He never told me. Where's that? Not fair. Okay. So this robotics kit is for 8 years old and older. So in here, it looks like it is a robot you can build out of metal, which is pretty cool. So here we have a programmable brain, motors and sensors, and a pre-built chassis. Okay. So to control it, it says you need an app called Avishkaar Remote Controller ARC. So you can download it on Google Play or the App Store. And let's look at the back. So here it shows many examples of what you could build. You could build a robot that runs on a rope. You could build a robot that automatically runs and senses things then moves away. You can also code this robot on your laptop. You can download this Avishkaar Maker Studio on Windows or MacBook. So let's open it.
Are we?
Yeah. Mom,
Yeah.
open it.
Okay.
You like opening it, don't
Yes,
you?
of course. I like wrapping gifts and I like opening gifts. I like wrapping things.
Hey,
I
it's
like
my job to open
opening
gifts.
things.
It's
So
my
I
job to
just
open
wrap and you open. Oh, that's unfair.
Alright, let's push this out. This box.
So this can be controlled by a cell phone.
Yes,
and
it is
then-
controlled by a cell phone. So
Okay.
here's the box. Designed too. Look at that. Neat design. Mom, you want to open it or should I open it?
Yeah.
You know what? I'll open it. Okay. So first, let's open it. I'll let you guys take the first look.
Ta-da! Too far.
Look
What's
at
there?
that.
What's there?
Here, there's a manual. Look at this manual. Very neat, very nice, just like the IoT. Look at that.
And
it
you know-
even has a kid inside.
And
That
you
looks
know
like
what I
me
like?
when I was young. Wait,
There's a
okay,
plate.
wait. That's a secret. Let them see this first. So, here it shows the table of contents. Hi, nako. Here, we have the contents on how you build it, what type of robots you can build.
Love you, Baba.
Love you too. So, there's They have stickers, guys.
Stickers.
They have
again.
stickers!
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. He's so crazy with stickers. He's a
These
sticker
stickers
person.
are so neat. I love it. Wait, and no. Show to them. Okay, so here's the
I'm
chassis.
showing.
It's very nice, very hard, very strong.
Yeah,
So
actually,
here-
the quality is good, right?
Yeah, very good. Ooh, it's nice. Very smooth. Very smooth, guys. Oh, we have some more boxes. So here, we have the brain and the battery. So, I'll let you
I'll
guys
put this
see.
on the side for now.
Okay. So here, ooh,
What
it's
is
open. Here we have the brain. I think. Yeah, it's the brain. This is the brain. So here you plug in. Wait, let's get
the
this out.
brain?
This is the brain, ma. So here you can plug in the motors, the batteries, the stuff you want to put. So the brain can control those items. Ma, I have to open the others. Okay.
I just see brain.
This is the brain. Oh, you're not paying attention. Okay. So here,
Ganyan lang siya talaga, guys. Okay? Ganyan lang siya.
what does this do?
I thought you're asking what did I say?
No, I'm asking what does this do? So, this is like a charger or a connector.
Charger only for that one. See?
Oh, yeah, my mom's right. It's a charger. So, that's a charger. I don't know how I didn't know. Look,
Yeah, we will know
look what we
later.
have.
After reading
Whatever.
this.
What is this?
Diba, guys? Kaya meron tayo nito manual.
Okay, so this, I think, is to clean. I think.
It has a
That's
name
what it
here. Oh! Allen key.
Oh, it's a key.
You're crazy.
Oh, it looks like a screwdriver too.
Yeah.
So it might also be that. Wait, there's still some more things, Mom. Okay, so
I'm
here we have the
excited.
cables to connect the things. We have a wrench, very nice to connect things. It's to
That's a
help.
spanner. Yun talaga.
It looks like a wrench. As you guys can see, we also have the cables.
And what's this?
So here we have some more USB cables to connect to the computer,
A
and
caster wheel.
this is a
Here.
caster wheel.
Yeah.
So looks like a marble inside, doesn't it? Very nice, smooth, shiny.
A wheel, nga. Wow. Gulong ba? Gulong.
I like saying marble. What's wrong with marble? Okay.
Because it's round, right?
Okay. Here.
Teka lang. I'll put this back so that it won't be messy.
Okay. Put this back, oh. But it's inside these. They're inside
okay.
these. You're the packager. You like packaging things, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give it
So-
to me.
Here, this is a motor. We have two of these motors, as you can see.
Mhm.
Here, you plug in the cable to the brain, so the brain can operate with this.
Mhm.
Where's the... Oh, okay. So here's the motor. You plug in like a stool or something, a stick, which connects to wheels.
To the wheel.
Yeah. Here, we have sensors. Let's open
Sensors?
it.
How many?
3.
3.
We have 3 sensors. Take it out. Take it out. Ooh. Okay. So, don't they look nice and shiny? They have a nice design. Here's a QR code in case you need help. So, you connect it to the brain. The brain will also operate with this. Here, it detects. It can see things. It's looking at you guys right now.
You're kidding. You're kidding.
Okay. Look what we have here. Okay.
Oh, careful.
We have some nice giant wheels. We have a rubber band. And, wait, let's take it out. Let's take it out so you can have a proper look. We have some wheels. We have some nice tires of plastic. We have a rubber band. For what? I don't know yet. And we have some parts.
What is ano?
We have more parts. Here's the sticks you plug into the motors, then into the wheels. It fits.
IR. What is IR sensor?
IR sensor, I think it sees things. Yeah, it sees things. So
Touch sensor.
we also have these parts that you connect to the chassis. Mom, there's one more thing in here. Okay, here we have the bolts and screws to connect the parts. So, that is it for today's video. And next video, guys, I will be building a robot with this ABot Advance. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Bye!
Salamat na marami. See you.